When you ride a motorcycle, your body undergoes profound physiological and neurological transformations that enhance mental and physical health. The act of maintaining balance whilst processing dynamic visual and spatial information stimulates the cerebellum, activating regions in the prefrontal cortex associated with focus and decision making. Meanwhile, the release of dopamine and endorphins, which are the brain's feel-good chemicals, is triggered by the sense of freedom and exhilaration, reducing stress and enhancing your mood. Riding also modulates cortisol levels, which mitigate the harmful effects of chronic stress on your cardiovascular system.